Alright, today we're gonna make some adobo. Classic. Everybody has their own version. This is mine. So we are going to take the onions that I prepared earlier. Everybody has their version of adobo. Let's put this at medium heat. I'm not gonna say mine's the best, but that's what people say. Washy, washy. Washy, washy. Alright, where's my thing? Okay, so I like wood because it don't bend and I like to turn things. Put this at medium, a little bit on the lower side of medium. Okay. Just get this thing translucent. You don't want to overdo it. Trust your instincts. I'm gonna cook the veggies nice and slow. In the clock, in the clock, I don't even know how that song goes. Okay, now remember these? These are those square garlics. Bam! They're frozen, but when they thaw out, it's just like you did them recently. So I'm gonna put like 4 or 5 squares. Overdo the garlic. See how soft that is? It's better than the one that's in the glass jar, because that is soaked in oil. Gee, look at all that flavor happening. Now we gotta add the chicken. The heat is on high. Little pieces, oh wow. Wings, oh jeez. You can do whatever you want. I'm not a leg fan. Alright. Alright. Now this is important. You want to put a lot of pepper. I like fresh pepper. Some people put pepper balls. A little bit of salt. Alright. Keep stirring it. This is on high heat. High heat. See that? Oh, jeez. You smell all that garlic. At this point, you also want to put some bay leaves. Some people put 1 or 2. Sometimes 3. I put about 2 or 3. It does make a big difference. Okay, I'm gonna put this down a little bit now. After it's brown, see the chicken's starting to get brown. You smell all that garlic. So this is garlic powder. Lots of flavor. A little less than a teaspoon, depending on how much meat you got. This is onion powder, not too much of that. Alright, so it's starting to brown. Make sure you get the pieces on the bottom to absorb all that flavor, that garlic, that onion, the fat cooking of the chicken. I don't know the terminology because I'm not a chef. I didn't go to school. I learned from my parents. And hey, sometimes the most authentic foods come from your own home. Know what I mean? Alright. Ooh, that smells so good. Geez, you could eat it like this. But nope. We're gonna take it up a notch. And add what we're supposed to. See, this one's not brown, so I'm gonna stick that on the bottom. Because that's where all the flavor is. There's different ways to do this. When I was a kid, I used to reduce the sauce until it really evaporates with the adobo sauce, and then that's when the flavor becomes really strong. Some people marinate it overnight before they cook it. I don't, because I just like a quick meal. Alright, to me that's good. I'm gonna turn this down to a medium, and then I'm gonna put it on super low. I don't know what this is, to be honest. This is everybody has a cup at home that they base their food on or measure it. Some people don't measure. I use this. So that's about half. I don't even know if that's a cup. All right. You can use whatever soy sauce. Some people like sour. It's not really sour. This just tenderizes the meat. I put about a little bit less than the amount of soy sauce you put. So, okay, so here, look, I'm not gonna add water. Okay, let's turn this up until it kind of boils. But, all right, so look at all that. Oh man, you can smell that. It's really good. Yeah, I cook this all the time. If I counted, I probably cooked this like 1,000 times. I can cook this blindfolded probably. I don't see that much pepper, so I'm gonna add more pepper. There's no perfect version. There's no, you don't open a dictionary and it says, hey man, this is how you should cook adobo. Or I'm gonna get people who are like, that's not real adobo. What the heck, who are you? Are you the Filipino or whatever? Okay, I'm gonna put this on super low. See how it's boiling? You don't really want that. If you want, some people boil the heck out of it. For me, I like to slowly cook it. And I cook the chicken for like at least 20 to 25 minutes. And then I add potatoes. Some people add other stuff. I just put some potatoes in there. And then after adding the potatoes, after 20 to 25 minutes, I will cook it for another 20 minutes with the potatoes in it. Lid closed and keep it at medium low. So right now, you see that? I'm gonna put the timer here, 20 minutes. And when you enter a house, when they're cooking adobo, at least in this house, it smells really good. Everybody always says, oh my gosh, it smells so good. They should make a perfume, adobo perfume. Okay, let's see. So, I'm gonna move this. You see this one guy right here? He's not soaking in that. Ooh, you see that sauce? Bow, number one. Bow salamat gidna. Bow. Grabe. Okay, it smells good. Oh my gosh, you smell that? It's very dark because this is where all the flavor is right now. Don't want to add water. You want it to, some people marinate it overnight. I'm just gonna marinate it as it cooks. 30 minutes, not even an hour of cooking. See all that? There you go. Ooh, yummy. Okay, it's the peacemaker right here, the food. Okay, there you go. So you see, we're getting all that in there. Just gonna turn it up, so make sure that it's cooking. See, it's slowly boiling. That's what we want right there. A little bit more bubbles, but not too much. My family and friends seem to like it. Or my aunts, they're like, oh my gosh, you got the best adobo. Hi aunt, you're watching. I said that the wrong way. It's auntie. My auntie. Okay, everybody's my auntie and uncle. Perfect. Well, 99% perfect. You gotta put that in the sauce. Oh, that's tender. Okay, we're gonna put these potatoes in here and cook them for 20 minutes. Put the cover. Now we're gonna put it on low. Perfect. 20 minutes. Alright. I heard it beep. Done. Shoot, I don't know if you can see that. Good stuff, man. I'm gonna actually put this in for another 10 minutes. You can do whatever the heck you want. But this is my adobo. My dad did something just like this, but I think he reduces the liquid until a lot of it evaporated. So we're done here. 10 more minutes for me. Do whatever you like. It's ready to eat. All right. Time to eat. Gonna make a plate. So here's the rice. Grab some of this. Oh yeah, some potato. You can see like little tiny pieces of garlic on there. Oh yeah. Put a bunch of that. Some sauce. Smells really good. I know I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm actually making a plate. Let's see. Yeah, I like the little donuts. There we go. Perfect. Yeah. There you go. There you go.